Overcoming poverty is not a task of charity, it is an act of justice because poverty is the worst form of violence. वेलकम एंड जय हिंद. जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं मैं गणेश पाटिल. फ्रेंड्स, इंडिया इज द सेकंड मोस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्री आफ्टर चाइना with about 1.3 billion people and 7th largest country in the world. And also India was one of the fastest growing economy before coronavirus. Today this coronavirus lead to many social issues, but today I am here to talk on how this coronavirus affected the life of poor people, those who are unable to fulfill their basic needs, how this coronavirus affected and raised the problem of poverty in India. On March 24, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the nationwide lockdown, which was put in place to fight novel coronavirus. The largest shutdown has helped save several thousands of lives, but it also put many Indians to fight the biggest social issue problem, that is poverty. Poverty refers to a situation in which a person is unable to find their basic necessities of life. In addition, the person does not have enough supply of food, shelter and clothes. In India, most of the people, those who are suffering from poverty, cannot afford to pay money for a single meal a day. So, poverty is the main issue attracting the attention of sociologists and economists in India. Now, talking about the reason behind this poverty in India. Number 1, unemployment. Many people do not have jobs to sustain themselves and their families. Today, factories and industries were closed. So now many people's source of income had stopped, and this gave rise to unemployment and leads to poverty in India. Number 2, inflation. It also leads to poverty because the income earned by poor people is not sufficient to buy their basic necessities of life. Increasing prices of food, clothing items as well as real estate rises, and this forced poor people to remain in poverty. Number 3, agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy. Today in India, farmers are still practicing outdated and old farming practices. This results in less income for farmers to fulfill their basic necessities of life. Number 4, illiteracy. Illiteracy is the major cause for poverty in India. Due to increase in literacy rate, unemployment rises, and this leads to increase in poverty in India. Not only this, but there are several more reasons responsible for poverty in India. Now, talking on the solutions how we can eradicate poverty from India. Number 1, investment. Government must look to invest in the infrastructure of country, which can go a long way and help environment suitable for development and income generation. Number 2, skill development. Government must introduce new programs for people to learn basic skills, which can help them to find new jobs. Development of vocational and technical skill is also very important to eradicate poverty from India. 3, education. Education is necessary to enhance overall income. We should promote technical training institution or vocational colleges so that poor people will get educated and can also find new jobs which will help them to overcome from poverty. Number 4, stability in prices. Stability in prices helps to remove poverty because if prices continues to rise, the poor will become more poor. So what is wanted that government should do its best to keep the prices under control. Now, not only these 4 solutions, but there are many such solutions through which we can eradicate poverty from India. ये बात तो हो गई solutions पे, लेकिन अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? So I think we can donate some amount of money to charity which is there to help poor people. There are many such food banks for poor people where we can donate some food for poor people which will help them to get one-time food. Friends, I hope you found this video worthy. So don't forget to press the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and share this video as much as you can, because poverty is not made by God, it is created by you and me when we don't share what we have. With this, I end this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.